Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hotel Blackhawk Autograph Collection. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a bar. Boasting an on-site bowling alley and a luxurious spa. This Davenport hotel is located within 5 minutes walk of the Mississippi riverfront. Each guest room is equipped with a flat-screen cable TV. City views are included in every modern room at Hotel Blackhawk Autograph Collection. Guests will enjoy the convenience of an in-room refrigerator and mini bar. An indoor pool and hot tub are available at Davenport Hotel Blackhawk Autograph Collection. A 24-hour fitness center is provided, and salon services are offered at Spa Lucé. Bix Bistro and Lounge is on site and serves fresh American cuisine for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Beignet Done That serves gourmet coffee, and snacks and beverages are available at Blackhawk Bowl and Martini Lounge. Figge Art Museum is 6 minutes walk from this hotel. A free transfer service is featured to the Quad City International Airport, which is 8 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.